protection societies which are lacking and not present in Pakistan. तो ये एक अली परवेज़ ने यंग मैन ने मेंशन किया, वी वर आई मीन आई एज फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर यूज्ड टू हैव फ्रस्ट्रेशन कि इतने अच्छे फैसले होते हैं लेकिन जाके वो फिर स्टे हो जाते हैं और कोई उसका मंतकी अंजाम नहीं होता. बट नाउ विद द माशाल्लाह लॉ मिनिस्टर साहब in place and with the support of Aurangzeb Sahab as I will not say minister in charge because he's a regulator, but obviously minister attached, I would say the term. तो इनकी भी सपोर्ट होगी, लॉ मिनिस्टर साहब की भी होगी. ये शायद आपको कोई मेरा ख्याल है वैसे कोई यूटिलिटीज़ में को हेल्प करें परवेज़ मलिक साहब फ्यूचर में, तो उसकी को कीमतें ठीक रखने में. और तो मैं ये अर्ज़ कर रहा हूँ कि ये हमारा कलेक्टिव रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. इफ़ यू हैव टू टेक दिस कंट्री फॉरवर्ड, believe me, this country has great resilience. Please don't forget कि 2013 में Pakistan was declared globally macroeconomic unstable country. Number 2, Pakistan was projected to default between 6 to 7 months. Number 3, the word global जिसमें खालिद मज़हब से जो माजी के जो ग्रुप है वो कहता था 12 से 15 साल लगेंगे to get out of quagmire. See the resilience of this country. It didn't take more than 3 years. The first time IMF program was completed 2013-16. The all macroeconomic indicators fell in place. The foreign exchange reserves make a new highest record, which is still in place. Or in overall inflation fiscal year की 17-18 की came 3.59. The stock market, again that was a big story. The mafias were not letting the three stock exchanges merge. Agif Saeed साहब बैठे हुए हैं. They had the territorial problem. The Islamabad Stock Exchange, the Lahore Stock Exchange, the Karachi Stock Exchange, and it was over a decade try. Musharraf साहब के ज़माने में भी People's Party के I put my foot down. I remember इनके जो predecessor है ज़फ़र हिजाज़ी साहब मेरे पास आए कि जी ये डेडलाइन ख़त्म हो रही है इसको मर्जर की, तो काइंडली गिव अस 6 months. मैंने कहा आपके पास 6 weeks हैं. If it doesn't happen, any state writ and any state assistance you require a chairman SECP, we will provide you, but you please go and perform. I must compliment. Then it was merged. Pakistan Stock Exchange came, I think it was the 11th of January 2016. जब ये am I right, Chairman साहब, मैं ये श्रीना में इसका हुआ था function. तो you see the the resilience in this country's potential. तो बहुत लोग घबराते हैं. मैं लास्ट ईयर जब लास्ट टाइम औरंगज़ेब साहब की जगह पर जिम्मेदारी कर रहा था तो मेरी इन अकॉर्डेंस विद माई प्रैक्टिस तो मैं ये बड़ी चेंबर्स को बिजनेस हाउस जो एसोसिएशंस को बुला के कंसल्ट करता हूँ ताकि अगर कोई अच्छा आइडिया हो तो हम उसको बजट में इनकॉर्पोरेट कर लें. 90% ऑफ द बिग चेंबर्स हु विजिटेड मी एंड वी वर होल्डिंग मीटिंग्स इन FBR टॉप फ्लोर, तो उनकी प्रॉब्लम क्या थी, हाँ जी अपना बिजनेस बेच के सोच रहे हैं पाकिस्तान से माइग्रेट कर जाए और कहाँ जाना है जी, कहीं को दुबई को मिडल ईस्ट. मैंने कहा यार क्या मसला है जी, पाकिस्तान डेट ट्रैप कंट्री. भाई डेट ट्रैप इज ओनली ए क्वेश्चन ऑफ मैनेजिंग थिंग्स. 130 billion debt and liabilities, external debt obviously, rupees so you can manage. So God has blessed this country with mines and minerals, with granite, with the hydrocarbon, with stones at least worth 10 trillion. So it's a matter of streamlining, and Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif is doing day and night. He's working hard. We are trying to explore all these areas. और inshallah, I think मेरा ईमान है, it's not too far away when Pakistan will get the right place in the comity of nations. It's a nuclear country. It's a missile quwwat. The only thing lacking is a strong economic power, and that if you are in 2017, 18, you were already 24th global economy. You are 4 notches away to be part of G20. PricewaterhouseCoopers projected, just Google after this meeting, maximum at 2030 Pakistan will be part of G20. I think that's where destiny should be, and that destiny can only come when all regulators work in order. All the teamwork is going on. I don't want to preempt Aurangzeb Sahab ki briefing. Please do listen to his briefing. It's expected to be live. God has been very kind. Today, by the way, is a very interesting day. 4th of March is the completion of first year of Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif government. It took oath on 4th of March. I think it's a great coincidence. It's a great coincidence. वैसे तो हमने कई डेटें आपस में तीनों ने शटल की इनके साथ, लेकिन द कुरा 4 मार्च को निकला, which suited everybody. But it's a good date. We didn't have this back in mind कि जी ये हमारा 1 साल भी complete आज हो रहा है, जिसमें 4 मिनिस्ट्रीज की आज brief presentations होंगी. तो you know, a year back, you know the situation. The PDM government was doing nothing but saving the country from default. And I tell you, जो आपके well wishers नहीं हैं, they would love to see you in default. They would love to see in problem, in economic problem. Reason? Because you are a nuclear power, the only Islamic country in 57. You are a missile, quwwat, and it doesn't digest. So हमारे ऊपर है कि अल्लाह ने जो हमें bless की हुई चीज़ें, we should streamline and for the benefit of the nation, and Pakistan should take the right place in the international community. We have been very lucky. एक साल पहले था जी पाकिस्तान, you must be hearing it, diplomatically isolated है. Again, I'm asked to, like, at a short notice, I was told कि जी मैंने वो खालिद मिर्ज़ा साहब की तरह कि मैंने वो थोड़ी सी अपनी 5 मिनट बात करनी है, तो I'll share my views, but let me tell you, in 1 year, 27 साल के बाद we held a multilateral big event, SCO, heads of government event in Pakistan, followed by almost 4 dozen countries in international girls की जो एजुकेशन के हवाले से एक मल्टीलैटरल हमने यहाँ एक इवेंट किया. वो बायलैटरल तो बेपनाह है. तो इसलिए यू नो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह एक वोट्स की बढ़तरी से हम 12 में 7th टाइम्स UN Security Council member मुंतखब हुए थे. This time we got 182 versus 5 votes. We elected alhamdulillah 2025, 2026. So इंशाल्लाह पाकिस्तान में मेरा ईमान भी है और you know I have a conviction कि अगर हम सारे मिल के काम करें, everybody wherever it is, and do work hard like Prime Minister always appeals. So inshallah it is not too far away when we will have, inshallah, the economy will be growing. You have seen the stability already there. We are now passing to the development trajectory and goal. So inshallah we will together celebrate in next few years that Pakistan inshallah will reach a very proper place in the international arena. So मैं मेरी बहुत बहुत दिली मुबारक चौधरी कबीर साहब आपको, आपकी टीम को आज के हवाले से, and wish you all the best. This building certainly will, as one of the honorable speakers said, will certainly contribute. Buildings do matter, as well as obviously the more is the software, what Khalid Mirza and other colleagues said. So you have built a good team. Keep adding on. And I'm sure Aurangzeb Sahib will be very generous to give you full support in this objective. Thank you very much indeed. God bless you, Pakistan.